Are you ready? I've got an idea, Sammy. How about making a piggy bank?
Maybe, but it should be really, really big, you know.
You're right. Wait, I know. Let's craft a Mario-themed piggy bank. Come on!
Yay! So where do we start? Huh? The sky is falling down!
Sammy, come on! It's just the main material for our craft.
Hail Tibidaba. In that case, you are gonna need a ruler.
Thank you. Now let's get to it. Done.
But what exactly is that? Some kind of a maze or something?
No, Sammy. These are the parts of our piggy bank. We just need to cut them out. See? That's a lot of stuff, isn't it?
I'm ready to put it all together.
Wait. Let's put them aside for now.
Why?
Because we need to deal with the base first.
Sue, hurry up! Otherwise, turtles will take all my coins away.
I'll be as fast as lightning.
Here's one more piece for you.
Thanks. It goes here.
Oh, I feel so rich. I could probably buy a whole chocolate factory. I will also pay you for your work.
Thanks, Sammy. But we'll need it later. Okay?
Hey, look how well I can walk on stilts. Huh?
Oh, Sammy. These are the parts of our craft. You need to be careful with them. Okay, now I need help. What shall we do next? I forgot.
No worries. Sam has the instructions. It looks like we need a wide cardboard strip next.
Now I get it. This piece goes here, and this one goes here. Before continuing, we need to make the whole thing bright.
I'm feeling so sleepy. I'll take a nap. Oh, a new blanket? What luck?
Hey, it's not a blanket. It's the texture I need.
What, really?
Yup, we'll glue it right here. See? Perfect fit.
Too bad. It was a very cozy blanket.
If you say so. Now let's choose the color for the edges.
Let me see. I'm a pro in colors. Color science says that we need yellow.
Then yellow it is. You are a pro after all.
And what is that yellow line? Detective Sam must solve this case. It's weirder than I thought. Hey, it's unfair.
Sorry, Sammy, but I really need it. Here we go. By the way, Sammy, did you know that Mario games are in the Guinness World Records? It's one of the best-selling video games.
Guinness World Records? What are you talking about?
Oh, you know, it's where people from all over the world record their most amazing achievements.
I want to do that too. Let's see, what am I awesome at?
Well, did you figure that out?
Maybe I could be the craftiest slime? Step aside. Woo-hoo! Welcome the new record breaker!
Wow, that was very crafty and fast indeed. By the way, you picked a great texture. It looks very Mario-esque. Now, could you deal with these parts too?
Say no more. Sammy the craftiest is here. Did you see that? I'm amazing.
True. Now let me show you something. Ta-da! It's a coin collector. And what's this?
Wait, how?
Let's say it's my special magic. This will be the castle.
Isn't it supposed to have a door?
You're right. Good thinking. And it goes over here.
Sue, I bet I can read your mind.
Wow. How did you know I'd need these? Hey, what are you drawing?
It's nothing.
Looks cool. But what are these?
Seriously? No Mario game can be without pipes. Just make a pick.
Right. Let me think about it. I guess green would be the best.
I knew you'd say so. Here you go.
Thank you! But let's work it up a bit, okay? These stripes will help us create a 3D effect.
Sue, I prepared the spot for it. Come on, a little bit to the right. Okay, good job.
Now, it's time to test how it works. Ready, steady, go!
Yes, it works. Hey, where's the coin?
Right here, see? It's safe and sound.
So what are we gonna do next?
You are going to clean up.
Hey!
And I'll draw some coins.
I wasn't born to clean, but to create.
Okay, Sammy, then you can draw coins too.
I know exactly what to draw. Now I need a brush to color it.
I gotta color the coins too.
The show must go on. All done, Susie.
And I need to do some cutting. Nice.
Here are more coins for you.
Oh, thanks. Hey, what is this? Oh, Sammy, what a prankster.
Gotcha.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait, where did this tree come from? Oh, I have an idea. I'll take a few of these flowers and attach them to our coins. Like this. Here it goes. Wow, Sam's picture is amazing. Let's cut it out and glue it to the craft. But we need more of these mushrooms. Ah, would you just look at them, guys? Let's find a place for everyone. Now this should be yellow.
Sue, I want to color it.
Then you need to defeat me in a marker duel.
Take that! Take that!
Okay, you win.
Yay!
And this goes here.
Sue, I've finished.
Good job. They look really great. Let me glue them to the craft. Gotcha! We also need clouds. But where do we get them?
I have an idea. Give me a lift.
Okay, no problem. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Wow, so many cool clouds. This one will do. Here you go, Sue. The fluffiest one.
Oh, wow, but it's too big. I'll pinch off a piece. And one more. We almost forgot about one very important thing. A special Mario flag. Ta-da! Now, let's make the inscriptions bright.
Sue, I've just figured out what my world record is. I'm the first slime who has made more than 1,000 crafts. But I wouldn't do it without your help, Susie.
Aw, I'll always be by your side. And our craft is done.
Wow, Sue, it looks so pretty.
I totally agree, Sammy. I really like it too. Alrighty, how about now? We test how it all works.
Yay! Let's do this, Sue. Take a coin.
And go.
Yes! It works, Sue. It really works.
I hope you like our craft too. Let's check the coins.
They're all here! Woohoo! From now on, I will always keep my coins here.
Friends, remember to like. Huh? What's going on?
You turtles won't get to my coins now! Subscribe to our channel to see more record-breaking crafts, folks. See you around!
And remember to give this video a like. Bye-bye, everyone!